All right, I'm here with Sunshine. We are leaving Sarria, heading to Portomarin today, about 13 miles. It is before, what time is it?
6:28.
6:28. We are out the door. There's a rooster cockadoodling not far off in the distance. We are dressed for and expecting to get wet. It's the reality of the next few days. So the fact that we're not in a downpour now is great. So we'll see how the day goes. Light rain. Strange men taking pictures right over there. Not too bad though. If it stays like this, it'll be a great day. We avoid the heavy downpours. That's all we're hoping for. All right, so we have been on the road since 6:30. What time is it, Charlie?
9:54.
All right, so we're better part of 3.5 hours, 3.5 hours.
Math.
Yeah, math. Hey, it's been raining all day. It's been a good day. Did we just see something that excited you?
Yes.
What was it?
The 100 kilometer. What is it? Yeah, 100.
It's the 100 kilometer marker.
The comma always messes with.
Well, yeah, because it looked like 100,000, didn't it?
Yeah, it does.
So we are on the final home stretch. We have gone 670 plus kilometers at this point. So we're actually enjoying the rainy day, believe it or not. So you can tell the people who are new on the journey because they're really, some of them are moving slow in the wet. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, this is actually going to be really hard for them because their socks are going to be wet. You know, that's going to lead to possible blisters.
Yep.
And then,
Well, they have new feet.
right, and they have new feet, so it's a hard day for them.
If we showed you our feet, you'd be like, those aren't new. They look like hell.
And once you've been rained on like 5 times, you're like, yeah, okay, whatever.
Yeah, we're wet. So what? Oh, all right, we'll catch you guys later. We're 4 miles from our destination, I think. Maybe 5, give or take. There's Portomarin. We're 1.8 kilometers out. We've been going, oh my gosh, it's after 11. We hit the road at 6:30, so we've been hoofing it for quite a while. That is our destination for the day. So I might have exaggerated. I thought it was about 300 stairs. It's not that many. So I'm sure it'll be fun.
Y vamos sobre creo